A broken broom doesn't have to end up in the trash. With one simple modification, you can restore its usefulness or even turn it into a more practical tool. It's a quick, inexpensive fix that saves money, reduces waste, and gives an old item a second life. Once you see this clever repair, you'll never throw away a broken broom again.